Man, you want to know what's going on? Stay tapped in, man. You see all these motors, man. I ain't playing. We getting busy. We doing build after build after build. As you can see, I'm getting ready to put the oil pan gasket on. When I tell you, I clean, I prep, I clean, I prep. Hey, I'll use the whole can of brake cleaner on anything and make sure it's oil free so it seals good. I don't like leaks, and I don't think leaks like me. Right here, I always remember to use that thread lock. That blue thread lock is gonna be your best friend. Just bolts wheel back out, and that's the quickest way to get a leak. So I put some blue thread lock on there, and I'm busting them down. Now it's time to clean the engine bay and change the motor mounts. We're gonna get it clean as we can get it. I soaked everything in Evaporust the day before. Then I went outside and power washed it all the next day. So R15. It's my first time using it. I learned a valuable lesson. Wear gloves, because it's hard to get off. When I say hard to get off, I looked like a tiger for about a week and a half. I had to call my partner Dale out the house to come help me with the motor mounts. So we about to try to get these motor mounts stabbed. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we trying to get these motor mounts on real quick. If you ain't never did these before, they're a pain in the ass. You're gonna need 2 people. So that's if we can get these on before it get too late, before it rains out. Holly mounts on everything, and everyone says just drop in and go. But you do have to drill out the holes. I didn't put it in the video, so I had to pull the motor mounts off multiple times to get them to fit right. And I eventually drilled out the holes, and I had to move them up probably about a 1/4 inch for my bolts to sit in flush on the motor mounts when I put the motor in. Then I welded them and bolted them in. I finally got everything out the garage. Now if you see me roll that power washer out, I'm finna power wash that thing, and I'm finna power wash my transmission. Get everything clean, much as I can. I like the original aluminum color, so I'm not gonna paint it. It's gonna be a simple build. I'm gonna keep it simple. See the problem? You won't let me in. You know what's finna happen now. Now remember when I told you I had the motor mount problem? And I had an oil pan problem. I had to notch the K and redo the motor mounts from drill them out. Once I seen that was that, we was done for the night. I told Dale, push it in, wrap it up, clean up everything. I went back and did everything later, but I didn't record it, so catch me on the next video.